Apple unveils a new iPad Air, TSMC to invest $100 billion more in US chip plants. Scientists just created a woolly mouse with mammoth-like fur. People are using Super Mario to benchmark AI now. Microsoft unveils an AI assistant for healthcare. Anthropic raises $3.5 billion to fuel its AI ambitions. Plus, 12 other news you might like. Apple has launched new 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Air models featuring the M3 chip, available for pre-order starting Tuesday, with an official release date of March 12th. Pricing begins at $599 for the 11-inch version and $799 for the 13-inch option, with color choices including blue, purple, starlight, and space gray, and storage options up to 1 terabyte. The updated Magic Keyboard, priced at $269 for the smaller model and $319 for the larger one, includes a larger trackpad and a new function row, and connects via a machined aluminum hinge with a USB-C port for charging. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Daily News 100 for the latest updates on tech innovations. TSMC has announced a $100 billion investment to expand its U.S. manufacturing capabilities, adding to a previous $65 billion commitment for building 3 semiconductor fabs in Arizona. The additional funds will be used to construct 3 more fabs and 2 advanced packaging facilities in the U.S., as well as to establish a research and development center focused on chip manufacturing innovations. This initiative is set to become the largest foreign direct investment in U.S. history, creating 40,000 construction jobs and tens of thousands of technology positions in the future. Colossal Biosciences has created woolly mice by editing 7 genes, giving them mammoth-like traits such as thicker, longer, and wavier fur, as part of their de-extinction project. The company has developed nearly 100 of these genetically modified rodents, and plans to test their cold tolerance as they aim to create a proxy woolly mammoth from a genetically engineered Asian elephant embryo by 2028. Colossal is also working on developing proxy species of the thylacine and dodo bird, with the intention of reintroducing them into their former habitats to fill ecological niches left vacant by their extinction. Stay updated with the latest in tech and science. Subscribe to AI Daily News 100 for more fascinating stories like this. Researchers from How AI Lab at the University of California, San Diego tested AI models on Super Mario Bros. Interestingly, Anthropic's Claude 3.7 outperformed other models like Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro and OpenAI's GPT-4o. The game was modified to run in an emulator with a framework called Gaming Agent. This framework allowed the AI to control Mario by generating Python code based on instructions and in-game screenshots. However, reasoning models struggled with real-time gameplay due to their slower decision-making process, highlighting challenges in using games as effective benchmarks for evaluating AI capabilities. Microsoft has launched Microsoft Dragon Copilot, an AI tool for healthcare, which uses technologies from Nuance to generate notes from clinical visits through voice dictating and ambient listening capabilities. The AI assistant aims to ease documentation processes by providing features such as multilingual note creation and automated tasks, allowing clinicians to focus more on patient care. Microsoft emphasizes its commitment to responsible AI development, ensuring Dragon Copilot is built with robust security and compliance measures tailored for the healthcare industry. For more updates on AI innovations, subscribe to AI Daily News 100. Anthropic announced it raised $3.5 billion in a funding round led by Lightspeed Venture Partners, boosting its valuation to $61.5 billion. This Series E round included investors like Bessemer Venture Partners and Cisco Investments, increasing Anthropic's total funding to $18.2 billion, according to Crunchbase. Anthropic plans to use the new capital to advance AI system development, expand internationally, and release new tools while deepening its collaboration with major partners like Amazon. OpenAI launches a $50 million grant program to help fund academic research. Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian joins bid to acquire TikTok's U.S. operations. NVIDIA and Broadcom test Intel's advanced chip manufacturing process. SpaceX aborts Starship launch in setback to Elon Musk's Mars ambitions. Google releases SpeciesNet, an AI model designed to identify wildlife. Tencent's AI chatbot dethrones DeepSeek in China's iOS App Store amid fierce competition. Bybit CEO 20% of $1.4 billion stolen funds, gone dark. Nothing's Phone 3a and 3a Pro use AI to organize all your stuff. CoreWeave Eyes, NASDAQ debut with $35 billion valuation. Meta's new smart glasses come with some much-needed upgrades to their battery and sensors. Uber teams up with Waymo to start selling driverless rides in Austin, Texas. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 review. No, it's not 4090 performance at $549. Stay updated with the latest in AI and tech. Subscribe to AI Daily News 100 for more insights and updates. Agentic Memory, a Zettelkasten-inspired memory system for large language model agents that dynamically organizes their memories for effective historical experience management. Cautious Optimizers. Improving training with one line of code can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of machine learning models. Send Data with Sound, an application that transmits and receives text data by converting characters into unique audio frequencies, allowing sound-based communication through speakers and microphones with real-time frequency visualization. Order doesn't matter, but reasoning does. The paper discusses how the order of information may not be crucial, but the reasoning and logic behind it are important for understanding. The impact of Google's manifest version 3 update on ad blocker effectiveness. Users might see less effective ad blocking due to new restrictions in Google's latest update.